time, Kania. Welcome to my channel. That is so very bright. We're going to do our Walmart beauty unboxing. It's so bright, but I feel like it's too dark if it's not. So we'll see. We'll do it. We'll do this and see if I can see afterwards, and if not, then no. I have 2 unboxings. You're going to see the same hair and makeup because I have 2. I have to film 2, and I'm going to be uploading 3 videos today, so yay you! Okay. The first item in the box is the, oh my god, the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Oh, nice. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. Oh, this is so cool. You know, I have not, a lot of the body products they've included in the Walmart beauty boxes have been awesome, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. It's going to be something else I'm addicted to. The next thing is, and it's really hard for me to see with this flash in my eye, is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Yogurt Body Wash. So very bright. Ooh, yay! Fine. Oh, this is a conditioner. Foam, a Pantene Foam Conditioner, Sheer Volume. I thought it was a mousse. That's why I got excited at first because of the bottle. But it's a conditioner, which is fine. I can use a conditioner. Hello. This is fluoride-free whitening toothpaste from Hello. Okay, in a black tube. So interesting. That's interesting concept. The next item is the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. Glides on smooth, and this is for fair to medium skin tones, which they've given me this before. I am not fair to medium, so I'm going to gift this like I did the last one. And it's a wet skin moisturizer that put on after the shower, and you don't have to dry, you don't have to rinse it, you just put it on, but it's supposed to subtly give you a little bit of a glow and a tint, body tint. The last thing, is it the last thing? Yeah. The last thing in the box is the Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore. Yay! I am not it's so AE, I guess, is the brand. Donkey Milk is throwing me off. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little congested, so excuse that sound. Innovative Skin Gel Mask Technology. Coolness. So they have sent over black, white, and friendly all over. New to Walmart is the Hello brand. Say hello to naturally friendly toothpaste that uses effective, thoughtful ingredients so delicious you'll rush to brush. Globally sourced, made in the USA, Leaping Bunny certified, which means it's cruelty free. Printed with soy ink, which is also better for the environment. Cartons made from FSC certified paper. I think that's a type of recycling, reuse type thing. PBA free, no phthalates, and cruelty free. Testing on animals isn't friendly. Cruelty free and vegan. Well, what is Leaping Bunny certified then? It has no animal products in it, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know. But it's got all these symbols. If you don't know what they mean, look them up because that's what I'm going to have to do. And the Pantene Foam Conditioner in the shower is new. So they just sent some information on those. No coupons or anything. And which box is this? Is this the spring box or the summer box? Because you only get it 4 times a year. I think this is the spring box because it's April. So I think the summer box comes in like June or July. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going to see how this looks with this flash in my face, and if it's not as good as it should be, then we'll refilm this with no flash and see which one is better. But anyway, the first thing I'm probably going to try, honestly, is this body polish. I love a good bath and body product, so I'm actually looking forward to this. The Pond's that they sent, the Pond's moisturizer they sent, I'm in love with that. It smells so good, so fresh and clean, so I use that in my nighttime routine. So I'll probably use the body polish first, and then probably try the toothpaste, to be honest. Or maybe the foaming conditioner. I don't know. Decisions. This will be gifted, the Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer, because obviously not for my skin tone. But the concept in general of the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer is something I am a fan of. So obviously I will sell that, not sell it, but, you know, upsell it to whoever I give it to and let them know I really do enjoy the product. This particular item is just not for me. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. You guys have a blessed week. Bye.